Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy November. So today's video, I really just wanted to sit down and play around with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Rose Metals. I don't know if I'm like super late to this, but I have had it for a little bit over a week and I'm just now getting to play around with it. So I really wanted to play with the beautiful rose fire color because honestly this one stood out to me out of everything. It's just such a grungy palette and I think it's so fun because I don't really have anything like this. I love the packaging and I love everything else about it. So this is the look that I created. Super pretty, super simple, honestly, and it's perfect for the fall. If you enjoy this type of content, then definitely consider subscribing to my channel because it is free 99. And if you want to support my channel, that is the best way is by subscribing, watching my videos, and giving me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think of this tutorial. I will be doing a voiceover today and just focusing on the eyes, but of course I will include in the description box everything like what I'm wearing on my skin and things like that. So yeah, that is it. You already know. Grab your cafecito and let's go ahead and jump right into today's tutorial. So starting off with the palette, you guys, as you can see, it is absolutely stunning. It's like a faux leather. The inside is just beautiful with metallics and warm tones. And as you can see, it swatches really well as nice. So jumping right into the palette. Again, this is the brand new Anastasia Beverly Hills Rose Metals eyeshadow palette, which is currently retailing for $55. Now, this one it has a matte finish. It has a shimmer finish. It is fragrance-free, cruelty-free, alcohol-free, and oil-free. So this is described as an all-in-one palette for on-the-go to ultra glam looks, which is exactly why I wanted this palette. As you can see, first impressions, the mattes are really, really rich. I started using the orange shade and I was stunned. I haven't used an ABH palette in a very long time, and I decided to pick this one up because, like I mentioned, it's something that I don't really have in my collection. So it does have 12 all new shades in case you guys are wondering. But for today, I wanted to go with a halo eye. And I'm going to start off by applying that to the inner and outer corner. Once I've done that, I'm going to take this orange shade and I'm going to start using that to blend the eyeshadow. This is really going to help just blend everything together so the colors look nice and cohesive. I use Sunrose and Dune in case you guys are wondering. And of course, we're going to go back and make sure that we emphasize the colors and just really make them nice and bright. I definitely want to play with this palette again for you guys and use a few more shades. The shade Haze is really pretty as well as Heavenly. Now I'm going to take the shade Noble. This is probably the deepest shade in the palette and it is just absolutely stunning. It's rich, it's matte, and it has such a deep undertone. It's just, it's probably my favorite shade out of the entire palette. So I'm adding that to the outer corners and the inner corners as well with the same brush to add more depth because you guys know me, I love depth into my looks. I think it just really brings the whole look together. And then with a glitter glue, this one is from Hard Candy. I'm tapping it into the center of the lids. And then we're going to go in with Rose Fire. This one is a beautiful orange fiery color just as it describes, and I felt like it went really well with the matte shades that I chose. So this palette doesn't have a ton of matte shades, which is kind of a bummer for me because I do love mattes over shimmers, but I think the palette itself is really, really beautiful. So that is it really for the eye look. Like I said, it's super easy, grungy, glam, and really easy to create. All you have to do now is apply your favorite lashes. I also did add a little bit of a brown eyeliner, and that pretty much completed the look. I will have all the information in the description box down below. For my lips, I use the same eyeliner for my eyes as for my lips, which is MAC Costa Riche. And then this L'Oreal lipstick, which I will have listed down below. So what do you guys think of this palette? And what do you guys think of this look? So here is the final look. What do you guys think? I feel like super grungy and like, I don't know, very like, not gothic, but like 90s grunge, you know? So, oh my gosh, you guys, I really like this palette. It's definitely different, which is why I really wanted to add it to my collection. Honestly, I feel like I'm at a point in my like makeup journey, makeup career, where I'm not buying things just because I'm over the whole like overbuying for collecting. I just buy things that I feel like I will actually use in maybe not everyday life, but in special occasions or things like that. And this Anastasia Rose Metals palette is definitely a palette that is very unique to my collection. So I really like it. The formula is amazing. The mattes are chef's kiss. They're so creamy, so velvety. They blend out really nicely without any skipping. The pressed pigments on their own are so amazing. I did use a glitter glue because I just wanted them to really pop. But as you can see, they're just so sparkly and they just, oh my gosh, I love how they look. So definitely recommend if you guys are eyeing the palette and you're like, should I get it, should I not? Get it. Go ahead, get it. Just treat yourself. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's quick little review. Definitely let me know what palette you guys want me to review or do a tutorial on. I know the new Mario ethereal lights or something like that just released, so if you guys want to review, let me know. But yeah, that is it. Enough rambling from me. I love you all. Thank you so much for being here, and until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.